Come, join us, learn about the cryptocurrency. साथ में बोलेंगे, मैं बोलूंगा BCC, you speak Jindabad, okay? Yeah. BCC, BCC, BCC.
What's going on, guys? It's K-Dub here with another episode of Crypto Zombie. So I had to share that intro. So that's the guy that recently got arrested from BitConnect. He was the ringleader. I've only ever seen Carlos Matos' videos. I've never seen that video before. Like, what is up with those guys at that event? The BCC!
BCC! BCC!
What is that? It reminds me of The Exorcist or something like that.
The power of Christ compels you! The power of Christ compels you!
So yeah, I don't know, guys. I thought that was funny. It kind of made me laugh this morning. Also woke up to a lot of green. That was a positive. So if we have a look at what's going on right now, we have Bitcoin dominance at 53.1%. Bitcoin sitting around $6,664, up 3.54%. Actually, we're seeing a lot of green across the board. Not many coins down today. If we look at the biggest gainers of the day, we have Cortex up again, 27%. They've really been just smashing it out the park lately. Walton Chain, Kyber, Pivx, Aurora, Nano, Cash, Populous, Cybermiles, Bitcoin Private, and IOST. So if we have a look, what is going on? What happened last night? So basically people are saying that this could be possible manipulation. Why am I not surprised? So there was a scheduled maintenance for BitMEX and also a huge tether move from a hot wallet to Bitfinex, as well as a massive Bitcoin pump directly after. So one couldn't help but notice a coordinated set of events the other night which pumped the crypto market significantly and perhaps unethically. So, scrolling down here, you see 4 days earlier, BitMEX did have this notification that came out that said they were going to have some scheduled downtime. And yesterday, a bunch of Twitter users were pointing out that Tether had moved over 100 million from a hot wallet to a Bitfinex wallet. So as you can see right here, the move occurred right when the BTC USD shorts on TradingView reached an all-time high. So fast forward to UTC1 on August 22nd, and Bitfinex pump volume erupted right after the BitMEX enforced its scheduled downtime, and exactly the grand total of 1 minute observed anecdotally. So with BitMEX locked out and several users in the lurch after a tough week of tight range trading and non-existential profits, Bitcoin suddenly gained $500 in less than 20 minutes. So the ruckus continued for about 30 minutes, the time which it had taken BitMEX to fortify its trading engines, with the market dumping immediately afterwards. Most of the altcoins, like always, experienced a significant pump and faced an inevitable plunge in price after the Bitcoin longs started their sell-off. So somebody literally says, thanks for the TRX up 108%, followed by a full retracement in seconds. I mean, look at this. Look at that chart on TRX. That's ridiculous. So yeah, that's basically what happened, guys. So as you can see right here, here's the live chart. So let's see, can you guys guess when BitMEX shut down? Can you spot when? So that being said, probably manipulation, but worked out in the benefit for everyone. Also, you have this article coming out from CoinDesk saying when capitulation, three ways that Bitcoin's bear market might end. So they say we've seen the worst, 3K to 5K in play, 1K doomsday. So pretty much what you're saying is it's going to go up, it's going to go down, or it's going to be somewhere in the middle. Yeah. Excellent. Excellent analysis. Excellent analysis. I mean, hey guys, at this point, we might as well just be looking at our crystal ball, right? But that being said, there is actually a Bitcoin psychic, apparently. Her name is Utsava Psychic Medium, and it says that she was accurate about Bitcoin, basic attention, Theta, EOS, PPT, all these different coins. But what's interesting about the video is likes and dislikes disabled? I don't know. Kind of weird. But if you guys are interested, Bitcoin Psychic, guys. So, moving on to some kind of serious news again, what do we have? We have something coming out of China. So, WeChat communicates with the Chinese government in order to monitor the public's opinions on the WeChat platform to comply with the local law. Well, you thought your messages were private on WeChat, guys? So, anyway, on August 28th, 2018, Chinese cryptocurrency media, including Jinsess Finance, DeepChain Finance, Huobi Information, were blocked. WeChat announced that their reason for being blocked was due to customers. Complaints were reviewed and processed as violating the interim provisions of the administration of the development of public services for instant messaging tools. I think we need to shorten that down into an acronym or something, guys. So basically, there you go. You have more just slam down, just, and this is what happens with these centralized things, right? I mean, look what happened with, was it Alex Jones, right? He just got all his podcasts shut down and everything, all of a sudden. I seen Omar from Crypto News, they closed down his Facebook group or blocked him from Facebook or something like that. And I mean, imagine one day, actually, this was kind of crazy. The other day, YouTube was doing maintenance, but I wasn't aware of this, and I went to go upload a video, and it was like, we cannot upload your video at this time. And I was like, I actually freaked out, and I was like, oh my God, I hope that this is like something that everyone is dealing with and not something that just I have to deal with personally. I mean, imagine if all the crypto YouTubers just all our accounts get shut down because, YouTube just decides, yeah, we don't like that content. That's scary, man, So you do start to think maybe you should start getting on more of these decentralized platforms as well. Obviously, people are having a little bit of a go at it. I was gonna do my vocals for this, but I was gonna do a voiceover, but I thought that might have came across kind of offensive. So, he says, "Oh, I sell Bitcoin at top, but we need to move market down. Say China ban Bitcoin." By the way, guys, does this not look like Sigourney Weaver? Like an older version of Sigourney Weaver. Anyway, so she says, "Say China banned Bitcoin. Nah, too old. We use it 15 times already, but it still work. Okay, I try. Hello, internet. Yeah, this People Bank of China. We ban Bitcoin now. Oh, dear God, China's banning Bitcoin. Sell it, damn it." So, yeah, but I don't think the FUD really works as well as it used to. Anyway, moving on, we got a rapid fire here. Got a lot of news, guys. So, a blackmailing Bitcoin scam targeting unfaithful men has surfaced. So, the U.S. Federal Trade Commission has reported this. So, the fraudsters claim that they know about the secret that you are keeping from your wife, and they threaten to tell everybody if the victim does not pay them an $8,600 confidentiality fee, obviously paid in crypto. You know what's sad is one of these guys that opens up the email is actually going to be an unfaithful man and be like, geez, is this real? So guys, do the right thing, and also don't believe these scams. So there's 2 lessons to be learned in this post today. Also, let's get into some coin news. So we have AdEx partnering with KindAds. This is something to be expected. I think all these cryptocurrencies, there's so many cryptos out there, so many of them competing, trying to do the same thing. So I think eventually you're just going to see more collaborative effort together. We've seen Moonlight and Thor collaborate, AdEx and KindAds are collaborating, and I expect more of these in the future as well. We also have a lot of partnerships coming out of Unibrght. You have Lufthansa, not familiar with that, but Microsoft and of course NEM to boost their blockchain adoption. If you're not familiar with some of the things that they offer, they have some tools for businesses. Here's 9 of their templates that they have. We have, batch trading, asset lifestyle, multi-party approval, milestone-based project payment, which I really like that idea. Milestone-based project payment. I think that these ICOs should not get their money until they hit the milestones. If you don't hit the milestones, then the investors should get their money back because that's not what we invested in. Request for quotation, shipping process, invoicing, new hire, etc. So, yeah, that's more news coming out of Unibrite. We also have an effort to keep the $200 million Siacoin blockchain free from corporate interest is devolving into chaos amid accusations against the companies at the center of the effort. So, there is that issue with Bitmain and these guys having a lot of power in the Bitcoin mining pool, and now also as far as Siacoin mining is concerned. So last week, the developers, including the Siacoin creator David Vorick, floated changes that would keep some mining equipment operators from earning value by securing the distributed storage protocol. Simply put, the code would fork Siacoin so that the products offered by Bitmain would be disabled. There's just one problem. In the case of Siacoin, the equipment that would work is being sold by the company operated by Siacoin's developers. So you want to take the power away from Bitmain, but you want to put all the power in the hands of the product created by Siacoin. So arguably, wouldn't that make it more centralized? I mean, I see where you're going here. I see your point, but I don't know. Just a thought, guys. Also, moving on, we have 200 merchants per month are signing up to accept Dash in Venezuela, according to a Business Insider report. There you guys go. So we were worried about that issue in Venezuela, everything that was kind of going on. So you have Dash entering the markets over there as well. That'll be good for those people. Also, I saw on Reddit for Bancor, it said Bancor now has 119 tokens, which is 7,140 pairs. You can trade any ERC20 token into any other ERC directly without having to go through Ethereum. So instantly, what I thought about was arbitrage. Right? Like, how good of an opportunity is this for arbitrage? If you see something happening kind of on another site, right? You could just really quick kind of swap out and then go get the deal, you know, instead of having to wait and transfer and pay fees and stuff like that. So that's just kind of like what I thought when I heard about that. Also, it says the beauty of Tangle seems like IOTA is about to deliver its promises of infinite scalability. 95% confirmed transactions after 1 minute. I literally have no idea what I'm looking at, but yeah, sounds awesome. Sounds awesome. Also, if you guys didn't have an opportunity to check this out, Lendingblock platform, they had their demo and their community update and AMA. So if you missed that live, you can hop over here. You can rewatch it. That's available. Also, let's talk about more adoption, guys. So this is a big move towards crypto adoption that is coming out of a partnership between PundiX and the Colombian investment firm Manticora Capital. So the deal will place a PundiX point of sale device in each store, which will allow them to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, NEM, Qtum, A-Chain, which I was surprised to hear A-Chain on the list, Stellar, and Verge. In addition, the devices are also giving customers the ability to purchase and sell cryptocurrencies right from the counter. They support payments from PundiX XPass cards, as well as cryptocurrency wallets using QR and traditional mobile wallets such as Alipay. So this means that you have another 1,000 stores in Colombia that will be able to buy crypto and also pay using crypto as well. Also, really great news from Stellar. So basically, one of the greatest use cases of Stellar in general is asset tokenization, right? So while this may have looked like a far-fetched idea 1 year ago, it's beginning to take shape. So Robinhood, a financial technology company that offers stocks and lately cryptos, will have its private shares tokenized on the Stellar blockchain by another fintech startup called Swarm. Swarm is also working on doing the same for Ripple and other companies. But I'm focusing on Stellar today. So this is a big deal because it changes the way investors look at securities, a change that could spark a revolution on the global stock markets. You know, we could be headed into a world where anyone around the world could hold security tokens for any of the major companies in the world. So imagine holding a security token for a company like Coinbase, Ripple, or any of those high potential companies that will in the near future change the global financial landscape as we know it today. That would be huge, right? So the demand it would spark would drive the markets crazy, pushing several corporations into multi-trillion valuations. So what does this all mean for Stellar? What does this mean for investors, okay? Well, Stellar investors could be headed into a major bull run. Now, this is according to the article, not according to me. I'm not going to make price predictions. But they say that's because when tokens are issued on the Stellar network, transaction fees are made in XLM. As such, asset tokenization for high-demand companies adds to the demand of Stellar, which will over time drive up the value of the lumens, the XLMs. The best part is that the asset tokenization seems to be gaining momentum, and companies like Robinhood are just the beginning. Already decentralized stock exchanges such as the DSTOQ are coming up and aim to make stock markets more accessible through tokenization. These are moves that place Stellar among the cryptos with the most promising future. So that is just more news as well. Also, I saw this article from John Chen on Medium. He says the top 5 most disruptive blockchain projects. What's interesting to me is that Nano made #1. And I think if Nano can actually definitely guarantee that there's no security flaws, there's no way to hack the blockchain because there's multiple blockchains, right? If they can definitely 100% prove that it's totally 100% safe, Nano could be quite disruptive. I will say that. Then he also goes into a few other ones. Skynet, which is the one that's coming up. Hashgraph, Polkadot, which all of those we really don't know. We haven't really seen them yet. And then Basic Attention Token, which I kind of agree about Basic Attention Token, but then again, I kind of disagree because I have a Basic Attention, I have a Brave Browser, whatever account. I've received donations. I move them to my Uphold account because I have to, because you have to go through a third party, which kind of takes away the whole decentralized aspect. So I have money sitting in my account, but guess what, guys? I can't touch it. Literally cannot touch it. I have 1,200 BAT tokens. Can't touch it. You want to know why? Because I'm in the state of New York. Yeah. And they know because you have to register. You can't lie. Yeah. So I can't touch my Basic Attention Token. Literally, just sits there. So just want to throw that out there. Not too happy about that, guys. Also, let's talk about some quick news on the way out. So we have an early version of the rare Magic the Gathering card sold for $87,000 in July. But less than a week later, that received a challenge, though it wasn't beaten, from an unlikely source, a crypto trading card for a new Ethereum-based game, Gods Unchained, which I actually spoke about, I want to say like a week ago. So Gods Unchained, it was sold at an auction for 146 Ether, which was worth more than $60,000 at the time. So this was one of their extremely rare collectible gods, I guess. It's a notable figure given that Magic is a quarter-century-old institution while Gods Unchained has yet to launch. Guys, I told you, man, these ERC 721s, ERC 1155s, man, these are the future of collectibles. It's going to blow up. It's going to blow up. I mean, even if Ethereum ends up not being like the smart contract platform of the future, it's definitely going to be amazing for collectibles and tradables and stuff like that. So I'm definitely on board when it comes to stuff like that. Also, let's talk about what's going on in Liechtenstein. Union Bank AG announces a transformative cryptocurrency and blockchain initiative. The fully licensed bank will be the first bank ever to issue its own security tokens, closely followed by a fiat-backed Union Bank payment coin. Also, this is interesting. Look at this. So this guy in Germany, apparently, right here, look, I'll highlight it for you. He apparently trademarked the term HODL. That's right, guys. HODL has officially been trademarked, or at least he has an application for trademark in Germany. So what does this mean? Well, I don't know. It sucks because I've seen a lot of different crypto shirts that say HODL. You know, they have like the Nike sign upside down with like the bars or something like that. I saw it on a Litecoin t-shirt. So does this mean that no one's going to be able to use the term HODL anymore? Can I use the term HODL? Or is it only on merchandise? I mean, how's that going to work exactly? So I found that to be kind of interesting. And before we go, I just wanted to give a little bit of a shout out to feedspot.com. They had a list of the top 50 crypto YouTubers to follow in 2018. You know, they have Doug Polk, Ivan on Tech, Supoman, Crypto Coin News, Crypto Love, Crypto Daily, the Crypto Lark, Cryptos Are Us, Cointelegraph. There's a whole bunch. Heidi's on here. But I just want to say, guys, thank you. I made the list, number 17. Not bad. I mean, I'm ahead of Rand Nooner. That's kind of cool. So thank you, guys. I really appreciate it. Also, I was looking at my frequency. I update 9 videos per week. That's crazy. I never realized I put that many videos out. I guess I just spend a lot of time in front of crypto. Crypto Candor made the list as well. So yeah, if you guys want, you can check this out. I'll drop it in the description below. But yeah, thanks guys for the shout out. I appreciate it. And that being said, also, thank you, most importantly, to everybody that's watching, everyone that's been liking, subscribing, and commenting. Clearly, you guys are the reason that I do this. Obviously, without you, I would just be talking to literally a camera, which I am right now. But yeah, trippy. Anyway, that being said, guys, you're awesome. I love you. Thanks for coming back to the channel. I hope you have a great middle of your week, halfway there to the weekend. Things are looking good. We had that possible manipulation, but hey, I'll take it. Worked out for me. That being said, my name's K-Dub. This is Crypto Zombie. Until next time, stay crypto. And peace out.
Right.
Take it, trading.
What you waiting for? You know you want to make it happen. B2B, set your ID. Find your home and make the address. You can buy Bitcoin and go ahead and make some magic. Or you can sell your coin and go and get the latest fashion.
You got to mine a little something.